Adding a hyperlink to a text selection is easy to do in Word. All you need to do is make a couple of clicks and specify the target for the link. Word allows you to add hyperlinks to your documents. This can come in handy if you want active links between documents, if you want to provide a link to a resource on the internet, or if you are creating a web page using Word. You create hyperlinks by first selecting the text in your document that you want to use for that hyperlink. Let's say that I want this text right here, Cretaceous, to be a clickable hyperlink. All I need to do is to select that text just like I would if I were getting ready to format it. Next, I can click Control K, and that displays the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. Notice that I used a shortcut key for this because that is the absolute quickest way to get to this dialog box. It's not the only way, however. If you prefer to use the mouse, I'll jump back out of this. If you prefer to use the mouse, well, then you can jump over to the Insert tab of the ribbon. You can choose Link, and that displays the Insert Hyperlink dialog box, the same as when we pressed Control K a moment ago. Regardless of how you get here, notice that the text that you selected earlier is contained in the Text to Display box. There's probably no need to change that, as you already know it is in your document. What you want to do, though, is to specify at the left side of the dialog box what type of hyperlink you're creating. Notice that you can specify things like an existing file or web page, or a place in this document. You can even use it to create a new document, or that you can specify that it's an email address. Choose whichever setting is appropriate for your needs. For this example, I'm going to choose that we are creating a link to an existing web page. Next comes the crucial step of specifying the target of your hyperlink. This is done in the address box right down here at the bottom. Since my target is a website, all I need to do is specify the URL of the page that I want displayed when the hyperlink is clicked. If your target's not a web page, but is something like a document or resource on your system, you could choose that here, or you could use one of the browse buttons to help locate the resource. If you do choose another document as a target, remember that allows you to get to the resource, but since the target is on your system, sharing this document with someone else means that the hyperlink will be useless for them because, again, the resource is on your system, not theirs. Once you've specified your target, go ahead and click on the OK button. Word creates the hyperlink. Notice that the text you selected in the document is now an active link, which means it is formatted differently and looks like a link you might see if you were browsing on the internet. You can tell that the link is active not only because of the formatting, but because of how Word behaves when you hover the mouse pointer over the top of it. Notice that it shows you where it can take you if you control and click on the link. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.